Welcome to Waynesville Garage. We're at the sawmill. We're splitting firewood today. We're not using the big mini Atlas molding on the frick. So let's see how that goes. We've got a pile of people to help. Got some wheels up here. So this is the log splitter I built maybe 15 years ago. If you search on log splitter Waynesville Garage, you'll see where we explain it and show how it runs and stuff like that. But basically, it's got a log lift on it, so we don't have to strain our backs. A 4-way wedge, 22-gallon, 3,000 PSI pump on it, and a 13 horsepower Honda motor. It works pretty well. I sped this up just a little bit. We're on at least our second truckload of firewood here, maybe our third truck of firewood here. This goes really nicely when you've got 4 or 5 people helping out. How come I don't have 4 or 5 people helping split firewood at our house? I got Paula, Inky, and Coco. Jeepers. Here, we've got 6 people splitting firewood. Amazing. But actually, this works out extraordinarily well because Gary's running the log splitter. Gary's a pretty smart guy. They're all smart guys. And while Gary does that, Alan and I are setting up a couple new cabinets that I snagged off of Marketplace. They were free. And now we've got some place to put our tools and hanging up some brackets for the rakes we bought. So now we've got new rakes. We've got new brooms. Life couldn't be better. One of the reasons this works so effectively, and the guys split more than a quart of wood today, is when you have enough people, the goal here is to keep the hydraulic cylinder for the splitter always moving. And when that thing's always splitting firewood, you're always making firewood. It's not as good as a commercial wood processor, which has conveyor belts and all that stuff. But frankly, with a bunch of people running it, it does work very well. I wonder if I can hire these guys at our house.
Call my agent.
Call your agent, yeah. We make about 50 cents per video, sometimes 75 cents. Look at all this firewood, and they stacked it. You guys are hired. I'm taking them to my house.
What's that?
These guys come to my house and split wood, for Christ's sakes. Is this poplar mostly? So we've got 2 or 3 pickup trucks and this big pile here. How nice is that? He's going to Glen Burnie. Yeah, but nobody's Spanish.
Do you normally run it dry, Wayne?
No, you know what? It's avgas. All year round.
I know it evaporates quick.
It never goes down. No alcohol. So I just put, especially, I'm pretty much all, I've got a couple more to split at home. All stuff. But I'll put away for until next year. So avgas it is. You know, and people, the gas we buy here with alcohol, it's like bones in business, carbon, you know.
I'm 77 pickup. I haven't, it's been years since I started later.
Where'd you put your gas in it? Did you?
The same thing with general rhyme disputes.
That could be both. So it might be alcohol free. nice guys down there. Everything working okay, Gary?
Great, I love that.
Perfect, perfect. So the good news is, in about 2 hours, the guy split at least a cord of firewood. Gary did a great job running it. He kept that cylinder moving back and forth, and it was kept splitting wood. And there was a whole lot more wood than I thought. I thought there was one stack. They moved things over. So now what we got to do is put the log splitter back onto my trailer, take it home, unload it, and put it all away. Not a big deal. Thankfully, this trailer has got a winch on it, and it's a tilt trailer. So normally, how are you going to get this silly thing on here? The thing's heavy. It weighs hundreds of pounds, many hundreds of pounds. So it turns out you just winch it up, strap it down, and we're ready to go. How cool is that? Yeah, it's okay, actually. Well, it might be in a way, Pete. I don't know. Let me see what happens. Maybe. Good. On either side, you know what I mean? It's like, there you go.
You need to come this way more, or is that good?
Center. I'm going to put all pretty much. I'm going to take the trailer and drop it down. Hold on, so you don't get hurt.
Did you put the @ symbol in there? Did I tell you that?
What?
IHC Redman 10 @ Gmail.
At Gmail.
You put the @ symbol in there? Okay.
I'm going to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good? Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what
That
did
one on my
Hey,
trailer.
Pete, could you raise that jack up? Make it up higher so this doesn't roll away on us. You know what I mean? You'll know it gets tight. Thank you.
We'll put some weight on it.
No, we're good. I don't know.
Find out.
So it really is nice to have people like Pete here and Tom who know how to do rigging and hook things up. So if they do it, I don't need to go back and take a look at it. So I got the front strap. Tom on the left with a blue phone on his hip. He's got another strap. Pete, the tall guy, has got a third strap. And then we're done. So hooking this thing up is pretty quick and easy. So it's fun working with guys that know what the heck they're doing here. All right, maybe I'm anal retentive, but we're organized. We've got a place for the rakes, got a place hung up for the brooms now. I know. And now we got a better place to hang our rakes and our shovels. How about that? Out of the way, organized, and not on the floor. Seems like a little bit. All right, so here we go. We get this cabinet off Facebook Marketplace, and now we get a place for all our paints, WD-40, grease. We'll put more stuff in here, and we've got more room to hang some stuff. It's got a hanger in here. I kind of like that. And what we did is we, meaning me, Some of the guy and Alan, we put it on a base, 4x4s, put it in the ground, and it's off the ground, so it won't rust out anymore. Job nicely done. Thank you, Alan.